Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to try to freshen up these headlights here using this Meguiars headlight restoration kit, which you can get at pretty much any auto parts store, Walmart, wherever. You will need the kit, microfiber cloth, and some masking tape, a spray gun with some water, and of course a drill. As you can see, these are pretty bad. Probably have actually never been restored at all. So let's get to it and see how it turns out. For whatever reason, it didn't record the passenger side, but I went ahead and did that. And you can definitely see, a huge difference here between what they were before and what they are now. How long it's going to last, I don't know. Like I said, this thing costs about 30 bucks. You can get it at any auto parts store, Walmart, anything like that. I actually did the Jeep a few nights ago, and it's holding up pretty well so far. That one needs a little more work. Got some bird doo-doo on it already, but for the most part it looks pretty good. Like I said, how long it's going to last, I don't know, but it's definitely cheaper than throwing new headlights into something like this right now. So we'll just take it as it is and see what happens. I'll try to find a link to that on Amazon or something, put it in the description below. Let me know what you think, and have you tried these before and what kind of results you had.